Generate and download Paystubs instantly with Stub Creator. First, open stubcreator.com website on your desktop or mobile. Click on Create Paystub and you're ready to create your first free paystub. Here you need to select your state and fill in basic information like pay period, marital status, hourly rate, total hours, etc. YTD drop-down option is set to default. It will auto-count YTD from January. You can adjust YTD as per your need. You can also upload your company logo for a more personal touch. There have additional add-ons to choose like the Advanced tool. With this option, you can add addition and deduction. If you want to do changes in the current calculation, use this tool. While using this tool, auto-calculation will be disabled. There's also an option for you to choose which template is the best fit for your business. Here you need to enter your company information and company address. Here you need to add employee name, address, and SSN. In the pay date option, you have to select the latest pay date. Reporting period option is auto-selected based on your pay date, although you can adjust your reporting period as per your need. Your employees' total gross earnings are calculated based on the number of hours they've worked. With this drop-down you can purchase more than one pay stub. You just need to enter the required details. Make sure to select the latest date first. When you're ready to download or preview your pay stub, then just enter your email address and click on preview and you're ready to go. Here click on Get Free Stub. Here you can download your pay stub. Also you can send it to your email.